Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to copy a Discord server. If you want to go ahead and copy a Discord server, you need to follow the simple steps. First thing, open up your browser, type in discord.com and log into your account. Once logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page. Now, on this page, you're gonna open up the particular server and then click on the gear icon or the arrow from the top right. Then go to server settings. Once you're in the server settings, you need to scroll down a bit and go to server templates. As soon as you go to server template, here go ahead and make some necessary changes and click the generate template button. So after you're done generating the template, you could see the link at the bottom. Now you could go ahead and click on copy. As you're done copying the link, after you're done, now you could go ahead and paste in the link in any of the channel, and then you could go ahead and see the server template. You'll be able to, so this way you could go ahead and copy the Discord server. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.